Okay, so this is the app, and then the first step is going to be logging in through going about entering your login details. So we are going to be entering our email address, and then we are going to be entering our password. Okay, so immediately after going about entering our login details, we are going to be inside the app, and it's going to take us straight to the home button, and then we are going to be going about pressing the applications button, and then that is where our application options are going to be appearing. um, with these applications options, as you can see, welcome to the applications tab. All complete applications will say complete, and you can have an option to view your complete applications, or if it's incomplete, you have an option to continue with your application. Then when you want to make a new application, you simply say new application, and then you select the application that you are going to be going about. This time you are going to be going about the traveling by bus, that is, and then we are going to populate all the fields that are required, and then thereafter you can cancel your application, or you can close and save your application, and come and finish it off. But we are going to be saying next. Now that we have entered all the details that are needed, we are going to be going about consenting to the POPI Act, that we are in line with it, and then we are going to be saying submit, and then application complete, and then when you say go back home, we are going to be seeing under applications the application that we just did now. Date is 2909 2024. Thank you.